What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Banana Dog. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of each eye. So we're going to bring this down and then back up towards the top. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Let's move to the bottom of the eyes and draw the front of the muzzle. We're going to start on the left side. Just going to curve this down, almost like drawing a half oval. Round at the bottom, and just pull that up underneath the right eye. Along the bottom in the center, we draw a circle, and we'll fill the nose in black. Now we want to leave a small gap above each eye and draw a half circle. So we start on the left. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down on the right. Now on the side, we're just going to peel open the ears. Let's start from the side of the head. We're going to go up, come down the side, and then bend that out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Up, and it's down, and then out. Let's round up the tip of the ear, just pulling these back in. I'm just going to taper the ear so it gets wider as you come in, and then pull that down in behind the side of the eye. Now we're going to work our way down the side of the body and just bend this out towards the tail on the right. So start underneath the head, then bend this out, come down towards the bottom of the body, and bend that over towards the right. Let's layer the right foot on top. We'll step up, then this out, and then down. Round out the bottom of the foot and go up on the outside. Now I just want to taper this so it gets narrower as it comes up towards the body. Let's continue this curve on the right side of the leg, then it's out and then up. Now let's go over towards the right side of the head, come straight down. I'm just going to bend this out towards the end of the tail. Now from the top, I'm just going to bend this out and then up. Go to the bottom, I'm just going to taper this so it gets a little bit wider along the end. Close off the end with a curve. Now I want to take that same leg and flip it over in behind the body on the left side. So I'm just going to line this up, that's out and down, round out the bottom of the foot. And I'm just going to tuck this up in behind the side of the body. Now you want to place the arms in front of the body. Let's start over on the left side. It's going to curl around the hand, coming up, come down on the inside, and just swirl that back up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. It's going to line up the outside, I'm going to go up, come down, and then just swirl that up. Then from the side of the hand, it's going to bend the arms, going out, up, and then in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Banana Dog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.